Good day, ma'am. I am really Nerbusa, and this is my short reflection or reaction about the anti and pro-social behavior of people during the arrest of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. So, when we say pro, it is the positive supporters of former Rodrigo Duterte, and it says that pro-Duterte supporters displayed strong loyalty and solidarity towards the former president. They have seen the arrest as an injustice, triggering feelings or anger, frustration, and helplessness. This emotional response could have led some supporters to engage in anti-social behaviors like violent protest or online harassment. So, the pro-Duterte supporters is those people nga nag-support kang Duterte during the arrest niya. Then, ilang giingon nga kanang injustice daw ang nahitabo sa iya kay illegal daw ang iyang pag-aresto. Then, next is the anti-Duterte critics. So, when we say anti, is katotong mga dili uyon sa iyaha. And they say that anti-Duterte critics may have viewed the arrest as a victory for accountability and justice. They could have felt a sense of relief, hope, and renewal, leading to pro-social behaviors like celebrations, online expressions of support, and renewed engagement in civic activities. So, sa kaning mga anti-Duterte critics, kay ang ilahang pagkuan during the arrest ni Duterte is victory daw to nila kay aron mahatagan og justice ang katong mga relatives nila nga nadamay during the war on drug. Then they say nga need na ma-arrest sa Duterte kay aron makamit nila ang ilahang justice. But on other hand, kanang ang mga supporters ni Duterte is dili pud sila uyon nga ipadakop siya. And I guess that's it. Thank you.